Vehicle collection. Name and sounds. Police car. Police car. A police car is used to maintain law and order, typically equipped with communication devices and special lights for easy identification and pursuing criminals. Container train. Container train. This is a train used to transport packaged goods in containers on railways. Helicopter. Helicopter. A helicopter is a rotorcraft that can fly at various altitudes and is used for purposes such as search and rescue, medical transport, and traffic monitoring. Seaplane. Seaplane. A seaplane is an aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. They are often used to transport passengers or cargo to areas near water bodies or lakes. Coast Guard helicopter. Coast Guard helicopter. This is a helicopter used by the Coast Guard for missions such as sea search and rescue and maritime law enforcement. Jumbo jet. Jumbo jet. A jumbo jet is a large aircraft capable of carrying hundreds of passengers. They are typically used for long-haul and international flights. Tractor. Tractor. Tractors are typically used in agriculture or construction to tow or transport heavy equipment. Airport rescue truck. Airport rescue truck. An airport rescue truck is used to respond to emergencies and fires at the airport. Ambulance. Ambulance. An ambulance is used to transport sick or injured individuals to the hospital for emergency medical care. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a construction machine used to move earth, rocks, and other construction materials by pushing them. Concrete mixer truck. Concrete mixer truck. A concrete mixer truck is used to mix and transport concrete to construction sites. Cargo jet. Cargo jet. A cargo jet is used to transport cargo on long-distance or international flights. Sweeper street. Sweeper street. A street sweeper is used to clean streets and remove debris. Fire truck. Fire truck. A fire truck is used to respond to fires and other emergency situations related to firefighting. School bus. School bus. A school bus is used to transport students from their homes to school and back. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is used to collect and transport waste to disposal or processing sites. Subway train. Subway train. A subway train or electric train is used in urban transportation systems underground. Tanker truck. Tanker truck. A tanker truck is used to transport liquids such as gasoline, crude oil, or chemicals. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. A backhoe loader combines a digging and loading vehicle, often used for digging and transporting materials in construction. Crane. Crane. A crane is a lifting machine used to hoist and move heavy objects in construction and other industries. Dump truck. Dump truck. A dump truck is used to transport and unload materials such as sand, gravel, and soil. Excavator. Excavator. An excavator is used for digging and moving earth and other materials in construction. Double-decker bus. Double-decker bus. A double-decker bus has 2 levels for passengers and is often used in large cities to transport a large number of passengers.